Hi everyone, this is Navjot from EnglishWise Brisbane branch. I have an amazing news for you guys. I've got Rashmi with me today. She cracked her PTE in just first go. She got more than her desired score, which was of 8 each. How are you feeling today, Rashmi?
Well, I'm feeling very great today because I haven't thought that I would get 8 each in first attempt, but thanks to you and Manpreet ma'am to get my desired score.
Thank you so much for your kind words. I'll read out Rashmi's score. She got 87 in listening, 81 in reading, 89 in speaking and 83 in writing. Such an amazing score, Rashmi, especially when it's your first attempt. How was your journey with EnglishWise?
Well, when I came here on the first day, I was very nervous and I didn't think that I will get my desired score in first attempt, but all the trainers are, they are qualified in giving feedback, and the feedback was on point. So after giving each mock test, I came to you and Manpreet ma'am, and they gave me feedback, and it was really helpful for me, and deciding like where I am not getting my score and points to increase my score in each and overall. And on top of that, the mock test and EnglishWise portal, they comprise all the real exam questions, so that really helped me to get familiar with the
I actually remember her going for the exam, going very nervous. Ma'am, will I get it? Will I not get it? I was like, just go do it, you will crack it.
Yeah, so I would like to say over here that self-confidence and concentration on the exam, which really helped me, to get this score.
Definitely, Rashmi. Thank you so much for your kind words. Guys, if you need any help with cracking your PTE, just let us know. Pop in any of our branch. Thank you so much.
Thank you.